Somewhere over the rainbow is the perfect color for your next project. But most people really struggle to figure out what that color is. There are way too many choices, and if you choose the wrong color, you are wasting not only paint, but time, whether you're paying someone or you're doing it yourself. So I want you to join me on Thursday, January 15th. I am doing a painting DIY basics class. We're going to talk about how to choose the right color, what are the right products that you want to be using, interior, exterior, the right sheens, the right quality of paint. We're going to talk about the tools, the prep, all of the things that you need to know so that you can do a really great DIY job on your painting project. This is the perfect way to start the new year with a fresh new coat of color and really change up your space. I'm telling you, this is $26 that you will be glad that you invested in 2026 to make sure that you nail that next painting project.